Bring the compressor hose over here, dude, with the blow gun on the end of it.
How's that? You having trouble?
Oh, dude, just wait until it locks. Go.
That clicking isn't locking.
I did not know that. Treat me like an idiot. Alright, so I want to start us out how our day was going to go. We're going to put universals in his pickup truck. And Nolan got a deer and says, hey, you want to help us butcher it? We're like, yeah, sure, come on over. And the process of prepping to get ready to butcher it, I went to get a hook down off there and sliced my arm open and ended up in the hospital. Ended up getting 18 stitches here. So that's how our day went. Now we're going to work on the truck. Kid. You can't take it serious.
What are you doing?
Cleaning up the end of this drive shaft. We're gonna press a new carrier on there. Got a whole new carrier and horseshoe set up here. The old one was pretty bad. I'm clean these splines up, get ready to press new universal joints in. It's for the new project truck. What are you doing, Nolan?
I'm sitting here.
Good talk.
There's supposed to be grease on there.
There will be grease on that when I put new on. You have it off, you may as well clean it up and put new on. You can have these socks when I'm done.
Thank you.
That's right, you'll say thank you and you'll wear them and you'll like it.
Thank you.
Now give me my socks back, I need that.
It's like, no, wait, take it off.
He's like, I actually like it. Thank you.
Feels good between my toes.
Hold that. What do we have that would fit right around that?
A big old socket.
Mom, dude.
Nobody has a big old socket this long. Something that goes right around that.
The old one?
Then you're pressing two bearings on.
No, there's no bearing in there.
This is a bearing.
Okay, but can't you use the outer shell of it to press it on?
It's rubber.
Keep going, guys. This is gold.
It's too big. Yeah, too big. Dang it. Yeah. We gotta watch, make sure it doesn't seat. You moving?
That's good there. Hold it. Oh, no, it's just like this.
Careful.
Hammer? Yes. Oh no.
Sit her down. We got 2 more to do. Sled. Hit it like I mean it.
My doctor just said take it easy, watch TV the rest of the day.
Oh, that's for dude. Do that.